Stolas.
While we're here,
He looks
quite the time, but
terribly miserable.
That can't be him.
either way.
Must be some weird freak instead. Come on, let's go get laid. Yo, cereal? That can't be him.
This is hella weird, even for this place. I'd like a wine. Hello, Stoli. What are you doing here, Andrea? You haven't called me that nickname since the wedding. That's because I haven't seen you since the wedding. On accident, I'm sure. You believe that? What are you even doing here? You don't call, you don't write. You don't even butt dial. How else am I supposed to get your attention? I've been avoiding you on purpose, you pompous puss. Why? What did I do to upset you so much? I am baffled. I will tell you why. Because every time we meet, you always try to get into my pants. Oh, that's ridiculous. Ridiculous, you say? Okay, let's have a look at the record. You tried to fornicate me in the cake. Now wait a minute. At my wedding reception! Okay, poor timing. You had more sex with me on my wedding night than Stella did. Hey, that part wasn't my fault. You were drunk and practically begged me to. And now that we have split, you decide, hey, why don't I try to get Stolas now we're not brothers-in-law? But I really like you. Well, I don't like you. But gone. I'm not in the mood for your antics anyway, Andrea. Just go away,